Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to change my lug nuts. You know, after like 10 years, due to the weather, sometimes it gets really hot in Florida. It rains a lot. You know, over the years, what basically will happen is the lug nuts will get swollen, especially on my Toyota. I just don't know why. They get swollen, and when they get swollen, the normal size cannot fit. So I have bought some new ones and I decided to change them. You know, this is a 2008 Toyota Avalon. I'm gonna switch my camera. Alright, so these are the new ones right here on the floor. It's a 21 millimeter if you're using an impact gun. I can't even use my impact because the battery is dead. So I have to do it the old fashioned way, which sucks because it's a lot of work. You feel me? Yeah, this one was already broken loose. So yeah, man, it sucks. It sucks. It'll be easier with the impact, guys. Alright guys, so I took out one of the new ones. Brand new. You can tell the difference too. Just make sure you just put it back on there and tighten it up. As you guys can see, this is not even the correct rim for my car. The correct rim is actually that one down there. It's a long story. I had needed a new tire, so my cousin basically gave me this one because she had got into an accident and crashed her what you call it, her Honda HR-V, and it was total, and this tire was basically brand new, and I had needed a tire, so I just took the whole rim with the tire. I never took it off and put the tire on my rim, so this is why. This is the reason. So guys, make sure you tighten it up because you don't want no fatality. You don't want while driving down the street. You don't want while driving down the street your wheel come off. So yeah, you already know the deal. So that's one. Can't believe I'm doing this the old-fashioned way while I have an impact, and the impact is totally dead. Yep. Old one. About to install a new one. Here you go with the next one. Man, this is a pain. I swear. This is a pain without my impact. It's a total pain. Ugh. More work. Takes longer. Better with the impact. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Gotta make sure it's tight. Gotta make sure. Yep. Gotta stand on it and make sure it's tightened. Alright, let's go to this one. Man, I remember to get off the one of them that was swollen. It was a couple of them. And basically what happened when I took it to a shop, do you know the guy charged me 20 bucks to take off the old ones and install the new ones. He didn't even do no hard labor. What he did, he used the impact, take off all of them, and install the new lug nuts. Easy and simple. And he charged me 20 bucks, which is ridiculous. Alright guys, sorry about that. Camera don't want to focus, I see. But another new one going in. You know the drill. As you can see the difference, right? 1, 2, 3 look new. These two, one is dull. See the difference? Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing. Same procedure. Tighten it up. Make sure you step on it. You feel me? Make sure you step on it. Give it a. Make sure it's tightened. Don't want no fatality. So do what you gotta do. Put your body weight on it. We're not playing no games at all. None. No games at all. Man. Alright. I took off 2 of them at the same time, since I had already got 3 on there, so it's time to just tighten them up. Oh. Alright guys, there you have it. Make sure guys, make sure you use the tool and make sure you tighten it up as much as possible. If you got to step on it, put your weight on it to hold it down. You don't want to have no loose lug nuts and you drive in and your wheel fly off the car while you driving, cause some serious accident. You don't want that. You don't want that. So there you go. Now I got to do the rest. The rest of the car I got to do, guys. Oh man. So those are the old one. The old one right here. You see the old one, how they look. Alright guys, make sure you step on it, put your whole weight on it. Man, this is a workout. And somebody, this is a workout right here, man. And you out of shape. But yeah, make sure you put on your weight on it, step on it. You feel me? Like what I said in the beginning. You don't want no fatalities. You want it to be really tight. Feel me? Real tight. That should be good. I went around all of them and I took this off just to make it easier, and this could easily just go back in just like so. Alright, I need to go on the other side. These are the old ones. These one only give me 4 because I was missing one already, so I need to go on the other side. Alright, let me go on the other side, guys. I'm gonna take off 2 first and then go with the rest. Alright, so I replaced the new one, of course, and I'm gonna take out these 3 and replace them with the new one, guys. Pretty easy, piece of cake, no big deal. And guys, when you're done, make sure you tighten it up and do the same thing with all of them, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Pretty easy and simple. By replacing the new lug nut onto your new vehicle, you know, I don't want these to swell up, so I decided I'm gonna replace them. So piece of cake. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.